Hey everyone, it's City Girl at the Off-Grid Cabin at Raspberry Rock, and today I'm going to be building an owl box, so let's get ready.
Brilliant.
Really?
Yeah.
So this is going to be a simple project, and it's going to involve a sheet of plywood, 2 2x2s, and 1.5 inch deck screws. As well, we're going to try and borrow some shingles from our neighbors. So because I've never done anything like this before, Russell's going to help me with the cutting, and I will do the assembly work.
What's Jumba gonna help with? Nothing. The way we'll hang this is I'll use clothesline wire. So these are the sides, right? So the clothesline wire will go through here and make a loop, so we'll be able to hang it on a branch.
Ooh, that's good. Yeah, I like that. So that way, if it doesn't work out, we can always move it somewhere else.
Sure.
All
right. You want to get that on film?
No, I missed what you.
I said I suck at this part. The jigsaw hole part. Very difficult to follow the line with the jigsaw. It doesn't look very centered now.
I don't think it has to be perfect.
But the owls might complain.
Okay, so let's go over the materials that I used for my owl box. We've got the front with a hole on it for the entryway. We've got our 2 sides. We've got our back. We've got our bottom. And as you can see, we angle the corners so that way there's drainage. We have the top. We've got our 2x2s that act just as reinforcement. We've got our screws as well. And we've got 2
Guns.
2 guns. The reason why I'm using 2 guns is so that way I can drill for the screws, and that way I don't have to change the bits. That way it's just easier for me. Okay.
Okay, let's get started.
Yep. Alright, so first things first, I am going to reinforce, as I said. Ay, ay, ay.
I know, they're tough, aren't they?
Alright, let's use both hands here. Okay, maybe not 2 hands. Maybe I need a 3rd hand.
I can help you. Can you do it?
Are you serious? Yes!
Okay, the next one, we'll do something a little bit different.
Okay, so I've got this nail gun with the drill bit, and I'm not going to go all the way through. Correct?
Yeah, just, well, you can go as far as you can go. Yep, there you go.
Lots of pressure on it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we decided that we'd try another kind of clamp for me that might be easier. So, I caught the table. I knew that was gonna happen. Yeah. Whoa.
All right, I'll fix that.
so just wanted to show you the completed centerpiece. I did all 4 with much success. And now we're going to move on to the door, and I'm pretty much going to do the same thing. I'm going to put the 2x2s on either side to reinforce. Nice. Okay, so this is the front of the owl box, and again, I put the 2x2s to reinforce this piece. And now we are going to work on the back, and essentially it's the same thing, right? 2x2s to reinforce. So this is the finished piece of the backboard, and what I'm going to do next is on all of the boards I'm going to put this 2x2 on and then screw on the top piece. Okay, so what I did was I put a 2x2 on each of the pieces to, of course, reinforce the the sides and the top, and then the top is gonna go on and attach like so. Also, what we did was we put a hinge on one of the side doors, so that way, if you can imagine it, if you can imagine it, if the owl box is against the tree like that, what we'll be able to do is have a little door to peek in and see if there are any babies or what's going on. So we had to make a few adjustments and move the 2x2 around, but as you can see, owl box is nicely clamped together and ready to be screwed together. So it's a nice sturdy structure, and our next step is to put the bottom on and the top. So we finished screwing around the bottom of the owl box, and now we're going to attach the top. And we're done. Ta-da! So now the only thing left that we have to do is put some roofing shingles, if we can get some from one of the neighbors, and then we're gonna hang it up on a tree close by. Our neighbors brought us over a shingle, and we're gonna mark it and cut it and put it on. That one.
Yep. Good. Let's get some nails.
So time to attach the shingle to the roof of the owl box. And we're going to use roofing nails for this. Russell helped me with the nails. They were a little bit tricky. One thing also I don't think that we spoke about was that we attached little branches as well to the outside, so that way it could serve as a bit of a perch.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're done.
Now what are we going to do?
We are going to find a spot in the woods to hang up the owl box. So this is the tree that we decided on to hang the owl box from. Pine tree, in good condition. We thought that this was the best location because we wanted to be able to see it from the cabin, which is over there. And also we didn't want to place it exactly on a Nookshuk Point, which was the original thought, because we certainly didn't want to cross the beaver dam over there. So we'll show you the end result of what we came up with. Ta-da! Here is the finished product hanging in the tree, ready to go, and hopefully we get to see some owls take up residence in it. So thanks guys for watching this City Girl at Raspberry Rock video at the Off-Grid Cabin. And tune in for some more videos. Bye!